Okay, let's start off with Euro Pound. Get that out of the road. Took a short, stopped out. Let me see. Took a short here with a stop above here. Quickly stopped out on news, and the price action is too choppy for me to be looking at this instrument again. The overall pattern has played out. I was wanting it to go a lot lower, so if we take this middle candle, so we have 1 wick, 2 wick. On the break of the second wick we were looking for a retracement to 50%. That's the rules, which we got here. Once we read it this high, read it 3 times, then came back down. There's no real place for me to finesse a nice enough entry. Was looking at these lows down here to give, so not interested in this anymore unless we break below Monday's low, which comes in at this 50% level as well. So yeah, that's that out of the road. It was worth the shot, but overall the price action has been terrible. So I'm just going to leave it be, let it settle, and then let it do whatever it wants to do. Moving on to New Zealand CAD. Still waiting for this thing to turn. We're in this bearish channel at the moment. We have this high. Let me just zoom in. So get this down. So resistance, support, resistance, some support and resistance over here. So we've got our level from the higher time frame, just waiting for it to turn. I've marked out this channel just as a depiction of the trend, so I don't really trend channels or anything like that. What I'll be looking for is a break of Tuesday's high here, break of Tuesday's high, and then I become interested. So just on the sidelines with that. It's the same with well, the target with this gap fill up here, so plenty of time, just wait for it to turn. If it does turn, might not. New Zealand yen, same sort of play. We have this huge level, we're coming down. Just because we're breaking below it does not mean that we on the weekly can close below it. So what I'm waiting for in the hourly is a break back above, and if you look where Tuesday's high is, so break back above Tuesday's high, and then we'll be in business. I'm just waiting for it to turn around. This is just a depiction of just the intraday trend. Hopefully they do turn around, but if they just drop from here, then no harm done. We've stuck to the rules. Dollar Swiss. From the weekly, we have our support and resistance level. Around here. This daily low as well. So I've marked out this daily low. We have a gap down here. I do think it's going to roll over. What would really interest me would be break below Tuesday's low. So here, H1 close below there, and I'll be looking to do business. Be looking to get 2R out of that. We do have a gap fill down here where I'll take most off, and then leave some to run on, maybe make new lows. Yeah, so it's quite simple that. Still waiting. Euro Swissy as well. have this sell limit here, the target new lows. We have inside week. Inside week, we've come up into macro level resistance. So trap the buyers and then quickly sell to the downside. That's the plan. So that's simple. That. What else have we got? Yeah, that's about it. I was also looking at Euro Aussie, but I think I've missed the boat. So it's just previous level. See this? Resistance, resistance, resistance. Got break above, break below. I'll zoom in. Daily high. Broke above, support should turn to resistance, resistance should turn to support. Broke below, retested this, and now it looks like we're going lower, and I think I've missed a boat on it. Trade would have been break below Monday's range, stop there, but I think it goes a lot lower, and I think it'll give us a lot more opportunities to get involved. So we'll just let that one go. But we're waiting on New Zealand CAD, New Zealand Yen, and the Swissy pairs. They're the ones that interest me the most. Stopped out on the Euro Pound, but hopefully we'll make that back. It's quite messy. Plus it's the start of the month, so let's see if we can make that back at least, and hopefully a little bit more. If anything else pops up, I'll put it in the trade ideas section.